Here we have a 2016 Ford F-550 with a 6.7 Power Stroke, automatic, two-wheel drive, with the Summit body and the Summit 6620 crane, 145,000 miles. Has been serviced and DOT'd. Not a lot of rust on this crane. Hardly any. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. AC is blowing cold. No rips in the seats. AM/FM CD player. Kick on the air compressor here quick. Couple vices on the back, grease receiver, 2 fluid tanks, new oil, waste oil, Blue Star 185 welder, 2-foot rear platform. This one has an extra set of drawers on this side. Don't know if you can hear them pumps, but they're working. Just want to move the crane around a little bit. I gotta turn the air compressor off. You can operate the compressor with the remote or the button I push in there. So you gotta turn that off so you can move the crane around. Yeah, it's a 6,000 pound crane. Goes further. It goes, it's not a 360 crane, but it goes all the way around the other side. Save a little bit of time by shortening it up a little bit. There you see our 2016 F-550 cleaned up, DOT'd, serviced, ready to go to work.